Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brea G. Today we are doing a hair video on the Love Me Hair headband wig. This is deep wave in 20. So it came in this little packaging. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in its natural state. This is what it looks like after I had nicely combed it through, but the natural state is really good as well. So let's get into it. Hi guys. So you just want to start with your hair pulled back all the way into a stocking cap. Now I know that some people choose to leave a lot more leave out than I did, but this is what I prefer and how I just wanted my hair to look. Now I did do my edges as well. You want to make sure that you slay those things. Now my hair is also in twists, so you may see the beginning of a twist, but that's also just my preference of how I prepped my hair. Now this is the Love Me hair. It came in this bag. This is the deep wave hair. Nice bag. It also came with the headband wigs as well. This is how the hair came in its natural state. The curls are really lovely. Now it came with 4 combs. There's 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back, as well as an elastic band with velcro. Now I'm just going to try to put this on my head here. I would recommend, once you get the front portion on with the clips and you want to do the back of the hair and attach the velcro, to put your hair up. Now I will also recommend to gel your edges or your back edges in the back of your hair so that no hair also comes out and it just looks very slick and polished. Now with this elastic band in the back, I thought that I had a large head, but with this velcro band I would say that there was not enough space for me to attach it, so some of it was kind of hanging off. Like there was not enough velcro for how tight I wanted the band around my head. So as you can see, a little bit is hanging off there because the velcro part was not long enough. I will say I wish that that part was longer. But here is the back of the hair. I want to show you guys how you do that. So if you wanted to do a nice updo, don't worry, you're covered. Now it can lay flat on the back. I just want to show you guys what it looks like if you don't want to pull the headband completely because the combs are enough to secure your hair. You can just use the small velcro size that they have and just attach it like that. It still holds just as well, but as I said before, my preference is to pull it a little bit tighter, but you can do either or and it will still look nice. So now that the back is complete, this is what the hair looks like in its natural state. Very defined curls. Everything is secure. Now I want to show you guys the other headbands. They did provide 5 free headbands along with the original black one that is here. Now I'm just going to show you guys 3 of the headbands of my choice that I would wear. I kind of like the more simple headbands. And I would say be careful when you are putting on the headbands. Be careful not to mess up your edges, as it will kind of brush a few hairs out of place. And then when you're placing the headband on top of the black one, you just want to make sure you adjust it enough so that you can't see the black one, or if you want to show the black one, that is also your preference as well. Now with the pink headband, I tried to bring it back a little bit more, and I also discovered that this pink headband is a little bit stretchier than the other ones, which I do like. The better the stretch, the easier it is to put on. Now I am going to comb the hair out so that it gets big. I like big hair. Not saying the natural state is bad, but I just like big hair, so I'm going to comb it out right now with a comb. Now, as you can see, as I am combing through this hair, it is very soft. It is going through the comb very easily, very nicely, and it immediately is starting to get bigger, which I love, love, love. Now you can see the side that I combed out and the side that's in its natural state. There's a big difference, and I am loving it. In this moment, as I am pulling the hair, there is no shedding. But I will say I found out that there was shedding later on after I kept combing and combing and combing. Now this is a big difference. I'm loving this. This just gave this hair so much more life. Yes, this is what I wanted the whole time, and I just feel like it blends so well with this black headband, especially with the outfit that I have on right now. Everything just blends so well together. Now you can do a half up, half down look. You can do a full up look, because remember, you also have the headband that's at the back, so none of your hair will be showing. The combs are very durable also. As you can see, I'm whipping my head around. Nothing is moving. Nothing has moved. I don't feel anything going on, but I did give myself a headache. Now, some things I will say about this hair is that it does shed once you start to comb through it, as I showed you guys how it went from its natural state to this little bit bigger, puffier state. It's not shedding a lot, but it is a significant amount to where you can say, oh, this is shedding. So I will say that. Other than that, this is my first day wearing it, so all else has gone well. But I just wanted to note that I will probably put a little bit of oil at the ends. The ends, they're not too nappy or anything, but I just want to add extra shine, just make sure my hair is moisturized. So I will probably add a little bit of oil to the ends. But other than that, I do like this hair. It just gives you a different look also. I like that if I wet it, I can go back, the half up, half down, if you want to do that. There's just so many looks that you can give with this. It's given. And I would recommend to comb from the bottom to the top, or it will get tangled because it is curly hair. You see, it's getting a little tangled because I didn't start from the bottom originally. But it is shedding. So I do want to show that because I think that's important. If you want to see more hair videos, just let me know in the comments below. But I thank you all for watching. See you guys later.